Yes, students. Now I have also defined you some problems of integral equation. Another one is the equation is solve. Yes, example. Let us example 7. Not example 7. We have proved earlier. So example 8. Yes. Solve the integral equation. These are the problems are also for the integral equation. Okay, solve the integral equation. Integral equation. The problem is y dash t, which is equal to y dash t, which is equal to t plus 0 to t y t minus u cos u du, where the initial value is given y0, which is given as 4. Yes, your problem is like that. Okay, so the solution of this equation can be defined as solution of this equation defined as, here is y dash t, which is equal to t plus 0 to t y t minus u cos u du. Yes. Now taking now first we have used the convolution theorem. Okay. First thing I use here the convolution theorem. Yes, by convolution theorem we get y dash t. Yes, this is y dash t, which is equal to t plus y t star, and here is this will become cos t. Yes, clear it? Okay. Now we are taking the Laplace transform on both sides. Yes, same process as the earlier examples I have solved you. Taking the Laplace transform both sides. We have Laplace of this one y dash t, okay, and here is Laplace t plus here is Laplace, yes, here is yt, and here is Laplace cos t. Okay, by the convolution theorem. Yes, taking this way, and you know Laplace of y dash t, you know earlier I have proved in differential equations I have solved so many y double dash t and y dash t, like that type of the problem. So you know y dash t. Y dash t is sys minus y0. Yes, y0. Yes, the value is given here y0, this one, and this. Okay, and this is equal to 1 by Laplace of t, which is 1 by s square, and here is again plus ys, and cos t, you know Laplace of cos t, which is cos t. Cos t is s by s square plus 1. Yes, now substituting the value of y0 is given as 4. Yes, so substituting here, so this can be written as, and taking the ys common on both sides. So this here s minus s by s square plus 1. This one and here this one. Yes, clear? This ys is equal to 1 by s square. Its y0 is 4. So this become plus 4. Okay. Now you solve it. This ys, this become s square. Yes, not s cube. S cube plus s, this cancel out. So this become s cube. Yes, s cube by s square plus 1 ys is equal to, yes, this become 1 by s square plus 4. So dividing this whole term, yes, s cube by s square plus 1, yes, dividing this you get ys is equal to s square plus 1 divided by s cube multiplied by s square. So this become s to the power 5 plus 4 times s square plus 1 and now divided by, because 4, then this become s3. Now you break up these order terms. So we get 1 by s cube, yes, 1 by s to the power 5, and here is again you see plus 4 by s plus 4 by s cube. Yes, here ys, yes, ys is equal to this one. Yes, clear? Now taking the Laplace inverse, yes, taking the Laplace inverse of both sides, yes, taking the inverse Laplace transform of both sides. Yes, we get Laplace inverse of this ys, and here is again Laplace inverse. So here you get s cube, here is s cube, so you can write it 5 times by s cube. So there you can write it 5 times Laplace inverse, yes, 1 by s cube. Yes, clear? S cube is here and s cube is here, yes, plus Laplace inverse 1 by s5, okay, this one, plus for this one, plus 4 times Laplace inverse 1 by s. Now you get all these values, okay. So this become yt, yes, and here you know Laplace inverse s cube, this is 5 times t square by 2 plus t to the power 4 by factorial 4, okay, plus here is Laplace inverse 4, so 4 of Laplace and this one, so this become Laplace of 1 by s, this is 1, so which is become 4, yes, or yt, this is equal to, solving this you get 4, yes, plus 5 by 2 t square, yes, plus t to the power 4 by 24, yes, 4, 5 by 2 t square and t square by 4 is to 3 is to 2, that is, yes, just clear it, okay. I think from these examples, I think you have cleared the integral equations for using Laplace transform. Okay, students, thank you.